In this video, we will learn how to block or unblock any site on your PC or laptop. For this, go to this PC, click on C drive, then go to Windows, click on System32, System32, then go to drivers, go to etc, copy the host file, paste on anywhere on your system. Now open this file in Notepad. Write here 127.0.0.1, paste the URL of the site you want to block. Like I want to block YouTube, then type www.youtube.com. Save. Now copy this file and paste on the same place from where it is copied. etc folder from where it is copied, paste and replace the file in the destination. Continue. Now YouTube is blocked in this system. Now we try to open YouTube. www.youtube.com. Your connection is private. It is not opening YouTube. Now if you want to unblock this, again copy the same file, open the same file, host, remove this which we added, save and place in the same folder from where it is copied. Go to this PC, C, Windows, System32, drivers, etc, paste here, replace, continue. Now try to open it again. See, YouTube has been opened. That's all in this.